Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to make your Outlook emails stand out, maybe by adding a company logo, a photo, or just some personality, then this video is for you. Today, I'm walking you through how to add a picture in your Outlook email, step by step, in less than 5 minutes. It's super simple, updated, and by the end of this video, you'll be sending picture-perfect emails with confidence. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Microsoft 365 Outlook login page. You can do this by typing outlook.office.com into your browser. Once you're there, look at the top right corner and click the Sign In button if your credentials are already saved. Outlook will take you straight to your account. If not, just enter your email address and password, then click Next to continue. Now that you're logged in, you'll land on your Outlook dashboard. From here, click Mail on the left-hand menu. That'll open up your inbox. Next, go to the Home tab at the top navigation bar. This is where all the main tools are located. Now, it's time to create your email. Click New Mail to open a blank email window. At the top, select the Insert tab. And from the drop-down, choose Pictures. A file browser will pop up. Here's where you can select the image you want to insert. It could be from your device, OneDrive, or even a shared folder. Once you found your image, click Open. And just like that, your picture appears right inside the email body. You can resize it by dragging the corners or reposition it wherever you like for the perfect layout. And that's it. You've just learned how to add a picture to your Outlook. Email the easy way, no extra tools, no confusion, just a clean Outlook workflow. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tech guides, and drop a comment if you want me to cover Outlook signatures or templates next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.